Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. So as at this moment, you won't be able to directly transfer money from your Trust Wallet to Cash App. But we have a workaround for this one. So for you to transfer your funds is you first have to transfer your funds to Binance first. So if you already have an account for Binance, you could just basically transfer your funds from Trust Wallet to Binance. Now once you've transferred your funds from Trust Wallet to Binance, from there you just need to basically sell that specific crypto and basically transfer it into Cash App. So as of this moment, this is the only way that we could do this, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.